Hey everybody, this is Richard Noto. I'm a Florida licensed realtor, Florida licensed home inspector, and notary public. Gonna go into a really nice looking home. I like the tile roof on this one. Well, let's go inside and check it out. I'm over at Margaritaville. This is over in Kissimmee, or Kissimmee, or however you want to pronounce it. There are some good incentives on these homes right now, so please don't hesitate to reach out and contact me. Let's have a look at this home. Pretty nice. Oh, it looks like there's some kind of fancy tub in the back here. I'm gonna go this way. Nice floors, very different. Yes, definitely has an upgraded tub for this area. Very nice. So this appears to be some kind of a master on the first floor, and look at this. So your toilet connects outside as well, so if you wanted to sit outside and enjoy yourself and you just wanted to use the toilet and the sink, you could do that with ease. Let's have a look at this closet. And many of the homes have speakers in the ceiling, as you could see over there and over there. Now, if you did purchase the furniture package, and that's something that you can do, and then with the furniture package, you could have your home in the rental program. But if you just want this home for yourself, you don't need to purchase the furniture package that they have. You could just put your own furniture in here, and if you did decide to rent it out one day, then you would have to get the furniture package. Storage. Storage under the stairs. A lot of room here. Now, something else to know about these type of properties is that the color in the house would have to stay the same. At least if you wanted it in the rental program. Very nice sized rooms. And you can see you have a nice view. There's a courtyard over here where you could sit outside. Oh, very nice sink. And it's mowing, which is always excellent to see because it's mowing for life. All you got to do is go to the mowing website. If you ever have any problems with your mowing sinks or the bathtub or shower or whatever it is mowing, you go to the website and you match up the part that you need, or you just contact them and they match it up for you with a picture and they send you new parts. Okay, so here's your washer and your dryer. Got a shelf up there, and over here at the bottom, this base over here is made like the bottom of a shower. So it's almost like they were building a shower but didn't finish it. And the reason for this is that if it ever leaks, it goes down that drain and does not flood your house. Absolutely brilliant. And please do check out my website at wintergardennew.com, where you could always find the latest homes for sale at the bottom of each community's page. And I do have a really big page with a lot of videos for this community, so check it out. And as always, thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day.